Welcome to AnilTvEducation. Today we will discuss about the 10th class 7th unit. So here unit Nation and Diversity. In that see reading Unity in Diversity of India part 2. India has 150 dialects and 22 recognized regional languages, but Hindi, like English, has came to say as a lingua franca of our nation. So, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Mumbai to Nagaland, Hindi is known, understood, and it is recognized as the national language of India. So, here in India, 150 dialects are there. So here Lipi, different types of languages, Lipis. So are there, and 22 recognized languages are there. So but Hindi and English, it is has to a common language of our nation. So here from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, every people know about Hindi, and from Mumbai to Nagaland, India has understood and it is recognized as the national language of India. So here Hindi is a national language of our India. India has a rich culture heritage. We are inheritors of several grand treasures in the field of music, fine arts, dance, drama, theater, and sculpture. So here in for not only in the different languages peoples are staying in India, so the culture and heritage is also different. So here in the every states, so the field of music, arts, dance, drama, theater, sculptures, everyone. So here ancient monuments, they all are different. So India is a united nation. So here our sage and seeds had left behind a traditional of pretty penance, spiritual greatness, consequent of passion, etc. So here our sages, our saints and sheets left them behind a traditional. So our sages and said that how the tradition, what is the important of tradition, spiritual greatness, conquering passion, etc. all are said by our ancestors. So our sculptures are the storehouses of spiritual wisdom. Our saints aspired to the realization of the infinity. So here our sculptures, here whatever the Mahabharata, Ramayana books, holy books are there, that all are storehouses of the spiritual wisdom. So here our saints desired to the realization of limitless in space. How much is there, so how much the great achievement is there, that all. So we have inherited great spiritual values, contrasted with which the materialistic progress of the west appears insignificantly. So here we have inherited great spiritual values, difference from the materialistic progress, and the west appears unimportant. So here voluntary self-punished for wrongdoing. So in this, so whatever if we do anything wrong, so our saints and our all are says that we should punish for doing wrong, and it shows the respect of God and religion. So here the West has to learn a lot from India, and it has now been realizing when people in the United States and Europe are turning to the Indian way of life. Indian yogis and Maharshis, musicians and spiritual leaders have all attracted them in a big way. So here the west, so the first side foreign countries, those who are coming to India, so there are so many things to learn from India. So here, like when the visited when United States and Europe visited to India, so they saw that Indian yogis and Maharshis, musicians and spiritual leaders. So these all the peoples are attracted to the foreigners in many ways. A significant move to project Indian culture unity has been holding a festival of India in the various part of the world. So here in India, so the culture and unity has been seen. So how the way the Indian peoples are celebrating the festivals. So various part over the all are seeing that various parts of the world. The West is fast inclining towards our spiritual values, which included meditation and contemplation, charity and love, universal brotherhood and fear of God, purity and unselfness, control of passion, and a peace of mind. So here the Westerner fastly willing to do towards the spiritual values, which includes meditation, yoga and contemplation, charity and love. So here universal we have other with other countries brotherhood and fear of God, pretty showing a deep respect for God and beliefs, regional beliefs. So, and unselfishness. So, here control of strong desire and peace of mind. So, here these all them shown as the India is in strong. Our culture unity is further exemplified by the temples of the south and of Kajaro, the caves of Ajanta and Ellora, which are shining examples of India's proficiency in sculpture and architecture, our music has come to enjoy worldwide popularity. So here, whatever the culture we have, so examples like temples and forts. So here, temples of South and Kahojaro, the caves of Ajanta and Ellora, so which are shining examples of Indian talent in sculpture and architecture. So here, so Ramappa temple is also recognized as by UNO. Our musician has came to enjoy worldwide popularity. So here our the Ramappa temple is also become as a popularity and as recognized by UNO for sculptures. Indian classical music, like the Indian dance, is built on the concepts of rag and tals. So here, whatever the classical music, so here how due to classical music, the Indian peoples will perform the dance according to that rag and tals. Here, rag is regarded appropriate to a certain time of the day or at night. So here, the rag is regarded. So here, rag. So whenever it is in a daytime or at night.